If you want to change sound EQ on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then in that case we need to use a third-party app that allows us to customize the EQ for audio on our phone. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and we can simply search for Equalizer. There we go. And you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that provide the option to adjust the EQ for the sound on our phone. So let's say I'm gonna use this app over here. However, feel free to try any other app if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you. Essentially, pretty much every app over here has the same purpose. It should be allowing you to adjust EQ for the audio. So let's tap on this arrow over here. We have some permissions that we need to grant. There we go. Let's keep agreeing so that the app can properly work on our phone. And there we go. We have our equalizer. We can tap over here on this text in order to choose a different preset, because you don't have to manually adjust the EQ. You can just use these presets that we have available over here. So you can try to find the best option for yourself while listening to audio. You can just play the audio and then try to use one of these options. And you should also be able to adjust the EQ by yourself. As you can see over here, we can move up and down in order to increase or decrease the loudness on certain frequencies. And there we go. And of course, you can save your preset if you want to. Over here, we can also reset to make it just completely flat. Over here in the upper right corner, we have these three lines that we can use in order to access settings, for example, in case you need that. And you should also be able to find, for example, tips and tricks, so we can give it a try. And there we go. So this is how it works, this is how it looks like, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.